WordPress is the world's most popular content management system, powering over 43% of all websites. Plugins add specific features, helping users customize and extend functionality without coding. With tens of thousands of free and paid plugins available, you can enhance your site with ease. From social media sharing to site speed optimization, plugins make WordPress incredibly versatile. While every WordPress site has specific needs, most websites benefit from a few essential types of plugins. Popular choices include security, SEO, cache, backup, contact forms, and social media plugins. These optimize website performance, protect against security threats, and improve user engagement. Examples include Yoast SEO, WooCommerce, and Elementor. When selecting plugins, consider their number of installs, reviews, update frequency, and developer reputation. Our curated list includes top-rated plugins like Akismet Anti-Spam, Jetpack, and UpdraftPlus, ensuring your site has the best tools available. 20 Best WordPress Plugins 2024 Must-Have for Your Website. First 1. Elementor Website Builder. Elementor is a leading no-code drag-and-drop WordPress website builder, powering over 16 million websites. It offers an intuitive editor for precise design, a vast template library, and over 40 free advanced widgets. With native AI integration, Elementor allows instant creation of sections, text, code, and images. It includes pixel-perfect design tools and supports professional customization. Unlock all features with Elementor Pro for the ultimate web design experience. The next 1. Contact Form 7. Contact Form 7 manages multiple contact forms and allows customization of forms and mail content with simple markup. It supports Ajax submissions, CAPTCHA, and Akismet spam filtering. For documentation and support, visit contactform7.com or the support forum on wordpress.org. The plugin's continued development relies on user donations, which help improve and maintain its functionality and support. The next 1. Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is a leading WordPress SEO plugin, trusted by millions since 2008 to help websites rank higher in search engines. It offers comprehensive tools for SEO and readability analysis, schema integration, XML sitemaps, and meta tag optimization. The premium version includes advanced AI for generating meta descriptions and titles. Integrating seamlessly with Elementor, SEMrush, and Wincher, Yoast SEO simplifies technical optimization and enhances content strategy. Regular updates keep it aligned with the latest SEO practices, and the Yoast SEO Academy provides valuable training and resources for users. The next 1. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is an open-source e-commerce platform for WordPress that lets you create and manage online stores with flexibility and full ownership of your data. Key features include customizable storefronts, optimized shopping carts, and support for various product types and selling options. It integrates with numerous payment gateways and shipping carriers, offers tools for managing sales tax, and provides a powerful admin dashboard for performance tracking. Developers can leverage extensive customization options and a robust API. The platform is supported by a large, active community and is fully scalable for businesses of all sizes. The next 1. Akismet Anti-Spam, Spam Protection. Akismet is a trusted anti-spam solution for WordPress and WooCommerce that effectively blocks spam comments and contact form submissions. It works by checking each comment and form submission against a global spam database to prevent malicious content from being published on your site. Akismet provides a history of comment statuses, allowing you to see which comments were flagged as spam or cleared by moderators. It also displays URLs in comments to reveal hidden or misleading links, tracks the number of approved comments for each user, and includes a discard feature to block the most harmful spam, saving disk space and improving site performance. To use Akismet, you'll need to get an API key, which is free for personal blogs but requires a paid subscription for commercial sites. The next 1. WPForms. WPForms is a versatile and easy-to-use WordPress form builder that lets you create contact forms, surveys, payment forms, and more with a simple drag-and-drop interface. It features over 1,800 pre-built templates, mobile-friendly designs, and SEO optimization. WPForms integrates with payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, and Square, supports file uploads and custom calculators, and offers advanced tools for creating high-converting forms. Ideal for both beginners and developers, WPForms includes customization options and seamless integration with popular page builders. The next one. LiteSpeed Cache. LiteSpeed Cache for WordPress, LSCWP, is an all-in-one site acceleration plugin, featuring an exclusive server-level cache and a collection of optimization features. LSCWP supports WordPress multi-site and is compatible with most popular plugins, including WooCommerce, BBPress, and Yoast SEO. LiteSpeed Cache for WordPress is compatible with Classic Press. The next one. All-in-one WP Migration and Backup. All-in-one WP Migration is a popular WordPress plugin used by over 60 million websites for effortless site migration. Launched in 2013, it's designed for users with little technical knowledge. To migrate your site, simply install the plugin, export your site's data, and import it at the new location using a drag-and-drop feature. It supports WordPress versions from 3.3 to 6.5.5 and works with PHP versions 5.3 to 8.3, as well as all versions of MySQL, MariaDB, and SQLite. The plugin is praised for its simplicity and has garnered over 6,000 five-star reviews. The next one. Wordfence Security. Wordfence is a top WordPress security plugin, renowned for its comprehensive protection and real-time updates. It features a robust firewall and malware scanner, supported by a global security team that delivers 24/7 threat intelligence and rapid incident response. The plugin offers an endpoint firewall to block malicious traffic, real-time updates for firewall rules and malware signatures, and protection against brute force attacks. It also includes login security with two-factor authentication and CAPTCHA, and the ability to manage multiple sites via Wordfence Central. Additionally, Wordfence monitors live traffic, tracks attacks, and provides options for IP and country blocking, ensuring extensive security for WordPress sites. The next one. Really Simple SSL. Really Simple SSL is a lightweight and easy-to-use WordPress security plugin that enhances site safety by leveraging SSL certificates and implementing essential hardening features. It simplifies SSL migration with a single click and supports SSL certificate installation. The plugin offers various security measures, including preventing code execution in upload folders, disabling XMLRPC, and enforcing username restrictions. It also detects vulnerabilities in plugins, themes, and WordPress core, notifying users when action is needed. Upgrading to Really Simple SSL Pro provides advanced features like mixed content scanning, security headers, and additional site hardening options. The plugin also includes login protection features like two-step verification and login attempt limits, ensuring robust security with minimal performance impact. The next one. Jetpack. Jetpack is a comprehensive WordPress plugin that enhances site performance, security, and content creation. It offers features like real-time backups, malware scans, spam protection, and a web application firewall to secure your site, while its CDN optimizes images and speeds up page load times. Jetpack AI assists with content creation by generating blog posts, pages, and lists based on your prompts, and includes tools for managing traffic, starting newsletters, and monitoring site changes. The plugin also supports site migration, duplication, and repairs, making it ideal for both personal blogs and e-commerce sites. The next one. SiteKit by Google. SiteKit is an official WordPress plugin by Google that simplifies the integration and management of Google's tools directly within your WordPress dashboard. It provides easy access to essential insights from Google Search Console, Analytics, AdSense, PageSpeed Insights, and Tag Manager, allowing you to track site performance, user behavior, earnings, and page speed. The plugin offers an intuitive setup process, displays comprehensive statistics for both your entire site and individual posts, and requires no code editing, making it a convenient all-in-one solution for optimizing your website. The next one. Yoast Duplicate Post. The Duplicate Post plugin allows users to clone or copy posts and pages with ease, offering options to create duplicates via links or bulk actions in the WordPress admin area, or by copying to new drafts. It supports front-end cloning via a template tag and includes settings to customize its behavior and restrict usage. Users can contribute by reporting issues on GitHub or translating the plugin. The next one. WP Mail SMTP by WPForms. WP Mail SMTP is a plugin that enhances email deliverability for WordPress sites by configuring them to use an SMTP provider instead of the default PHP mail function, ensuring emails reach the inbox. It includes an easy setup wizard and detailed documentation, with additional features available in the Pro version, such as email logging and advanced reporting. The next one. UpdraftPlus. UpdraftPlus is a widely trusted WordPress plugin used by over 3 million websites for backing up, restoring, and migrating WordPress sites. It allows users to back up their sites to multiple storage options, including Dropbox, Google Drive, and Amazon S3, and provides manual or scheduled backup options. The plugin simplifies restoration with a few clicks, enabling users to restore specific components or the entire site in case of issues. Additionally, UpdraftPlus facilitates site migration by downloading and uploading site data, with a built-in search and replace engine to update URLs and paths. The paid version offers additional storage options and advanced features for enhanced backup and migration capabilities. The next one. WordPress Importer. The WordPress Importer allows you to import posts, pages, custom post types, comments with their meta, custom fields, categories, tags, custom taxonomy terms, authors, and term meta from a WordPress export file. For additional details and instructions, refer to the documentation on importing content. The next one. Duplicate Page. The Duplicate Page Pro plugin allows you to easily duplicate posts, pages, and custom posts with a single click, offering options to set the status of the duplicate, draft, private, public, pending, control where the clone link appears, filter by user roles and post types, and customize the clone link title, prefix, and suffix, with additional redirection and editor features. The next one. All-in-one SEO. SEO, used by over 3 million users, is a comprehensive WordPress SEO plugin offering features such as an easy SEO setup wizard, smart schema markup, AI-powered title and description generation, unlimited keyword optimization, Google keyword rank tracking, automatic internal linking, local SEO enhancements, SEO revisions, content decay tracking, advanced XML sitemaps, smart SEO redirects, 404 error monitoring, author SEO, a detailed SEO audit checklist, knowledge graph support, Google site links and search boxes, and customizable tables of contents. The next one. MonsterInsights. MonsterInsights is the leading Google Analytics plugin for WordPress, used by over 3 million sites. It simplifies the process of connecting Google Analytics to WordPress, offering an intuitive dashboard with actionable reports and advanced tracking features such as events, e-commerce, custom dimensions, and more. Trusted by major companies like Microsoft and FedEx, MonsterInsights helps users make data-driven decisions to grow their business effortlessly. The last one. Rank Math SEO. Rank Math SEO is an advanced WordPress plugin that integrates artificial intelligence to simplify and enhance SEO efforts. Designed to optimize website content efficiently, it provides features such as intelligent automation, AI-driven suggestions, and a comprehensive suite of tools to improve search engine rankings. The plugin helps users with on-page SEO, keyword optimization, content analysis, and tracking, making it a powerful tool for increasing website traffic and visibility. With a user-friendly interface and a range of advanced options, Rank Math aims to offer the capabilities of a full SEO team in a single plugin. And as a bonus, we give you one more plugin. ELEX WordPress HelpDesk and Customer Ticketing System. The ELEX WordPress HelpDesk and Customer Ticketing System provides comprehensive support features, including unlimited ticket creation and agent access, supervisor profiles, automated ticket management, such as tagging, assignment, and filtering, customizable submission forms, and quick reply templates. It also supports triggers and automation, customer feedback, and agent satisfaction ratings. Unlike SaaS-based solutions, ELEX stores all data on your system, ensuring greater data privacy and security. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.